Hi, and welcome to Pug Sees Dumb People, where my pug Violet scours the internet looking for people doing the dumbest things, making the dumbest decisions, and she's gotten really good at it. And remember to like and subscribe, it means a lot to her. Today's video is interesting. It's about a girl who a police officer was trying to stop. So she decided that the best thing for her to do was to not stop, to the point where she ran a stop sign and hit another car and then just kept going. They finally catch up with her, and you will never guess. It turns out she's the victim. He hit her. So let's go and talk to both of them individually and see if we can find out what really happened.
The driver of the other vehicle, check on injuries. What in the hell is wrong with these people? 10-9. You okay, dude? You alright?
Yeah.
You injured?
No, I don't think.
Yeah, it was a brown or beige Saturn, black female driver, younger. I'm out with the other driver. He's advising so far no injuries, but there is airbag deployment. Maylee and Caroline. I've got rescue coming for you just to take a look at you and make sure you're okay, alright? You just getting off of work?
Yeah.
Heading home, huh?
Yeah.
Didn't even stop at the stop sign. Didn't. Who? Somebody else get hit? Yeah, he's good, I think. Did you get hit? Okay. You want to get out or you want to chill where you're at? It's up to you.
I need to just chill real quick.
Yep, you're good. You're good, man. Take your time. Did you happen to get a look at the driver of that vehicle at all? Yeah, I didn't think so.
How can somebody be so selfish and ignorant to leave an accident scene where they know they are at fault and somebody most likely is injured? It's beyond me.
All I seen was a car not stopping.
3X81 Central, I'll be switching to admin. Code 4. Is the car registered? Is this car registered to you? It's your car?
Yeah, it's my car.
3X81 Central.
Stand by.
All right, so real quick before I get you your case number and everything, you want to press charges for the hit and run? Yeah. Okay, we have a female up the street detained that I'm going to go and identify because I saw her driving. If it's her, she's going to go to jail, okay?
Yeah.
So just raise your right hand for me. You swear that everything in the statement you're about to give is true to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that filing a false report in Florida is a criminal offense and you can be charged for doing so?
Yes.
Okay, state your name and today's date.
Juan Marty, 4/1/22.
Yep. And what happened today?
I got in an accident, hit and run.
Okay, did you see the vehicle?
Yes.
What color was the vehicle?
Tannish brown?
Did you see the driver at all?
No.
And did the vehicle stop and check on injuries?
No.
Did they attempt to exchange information with you or call the police
No.
for a report? Do you want to press charges for the hit and run?
Yes.
Perfect. Let me get you a case number and I'll get you out of here. The record will be here in just a second. Hey, Russo's got one detained. Apparently she admitted to being the driver. I'm going to go up there and take a look at her. If you just want to wait for record, I'm going to grab him his case number and then he's good.
You driving this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Turn around, put your hands on your back.
Yeah,
Turn around, put your hands on your back.
cousin, just relax. Somebody just hit and ran her.
You just hit and ran somebody
No,
else.
I did
Yeah, you
not,
did.
sir. Somebody hit me.
Listen to me. Relax.
Lexi, calm down.
Okay, first, she said someone hit her. I guess she thought that it was a four-way stop. But the other thing, and the more important thing, is what's with the "ay-ya" at the end of every statement. They all do it, these kids today. No, like, what the heck is that?
Let me call Teddy on the phone.
41 Central, 11012. Relax. 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 Mission to guilt. I asked her if she was driving. She said yes. Somebody hit and ran her, and she took off.
Can I get up on the car, sister?
Yeah.
This is my little cousin.
Female third search. Give me a chance. 600 Speedway.
Somebody gotta come and get me.
They'll come. Let me see your phone.
Are you okay? Are you injured?
Yes.
Why did you flee the scene?
Cause I was
What's your
scared,
name? What's your
sir.
name first? Talk to me real quick, all right? I'm sorry for doing that to you right now, but I have to put you in handcuffs. But listen to me.
Put your big girl panties on. It's time to be an adult.
What's
My
your
name
first
is
name?
Alexis.
All right,
Quarterman.
listen to me real quick, all right? Alexis, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney or have him or her with you now or anytime you're in question. If you cannot afford it, the attorney won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, I'll question him to stop your request. You understand your rights? Okay. Explain to me why you ran.
Okay.
Or why you
I
drove
was
away.
coming out, so when I drove out, the police hit their lights.
Okay.
But when the police hit their lights, I kept going. But when I kept going, I already turned. Their lights were off. So me thinking they're trying to get around me, so I kept going. You feel me? I was scared. I know I have no license, so I got scared. I panicked.
Okay.
So I kept going. As I kept going, I did not hit them, sir. As me going, they was coming out and they bashed into the side of the car. You can see I didn't hit
I can
them.
see that.
I didn't hit them at all, sir. If I hit them, my front thing, their front thing would have been messed up. My whole side is messed up from the tire.
Oh, it just figures no license. And she thinks that he hit her because he didn't stop for the stop sign. He didn't have to. He didn't have one. You had the stop sign, but you were fleeing the police when the accident happened. Oh, you dumb. Ooh, I want to say a word that starts with a B, but I don't want YouTube to get me. Ugh, such an itch. How about that? She's an itch.
Do you have ID on your purse?
Yes.
Can I grab it?
Yes. And I came here because the car was making a bad noise. You get what I'm
You should
saying?
have stopped.
You're correct. But like, will I get a bond?
What?
Will I get a bond? How much?
I don't know what your charges are right now. You might have a fleeing charge.
Your mama
Come here. Come lean against the car for me. Relax, all right? It's an accident, okay?
Okay. You just do what you gotta do.
Nothing in the car, guns, drugs, weapons, anything like that. Just be honest now, because we're gonna look through it. Do you have anything in there you're worried about? No?
That's what this is what it's called.
From Dollar to 704, one adult female, down out to 7.
So, you saw the cop lights, and you got nervous because you didn't have a license?
No, I saw the cop. Like, I went out as the police was coming in and it was for them to stop. I was already at the stop sign, so it's my goal.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right there by you finna go to Soul City. I'm straight. The police is coming to their stop sign. I'm already at the stop sign. It's
Okay.
my go to go. So I went. The police hit the lights. I stopped. I kept going, but they turned their lights off, and I kept going. As I kept going, they were still behind me. They wasn't behind me, but then they flashed their lights again. I was already by the street where I got hit at. As me still going, it's no stop signs there. So as me still, no, it was. I stopped, and then I kept going. And then the white car was not supposed to come out as me going. So the white car hit me. And that's when I lost control of the car, and I grabbed the car back and pressed on the brakes. If I didn't, I would not be here right now. I would have hit the pole. So
Did you make a complete stop at that stop sign before
Yes.
you kept going?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, I did. I made a complete stop sign at the stop sign. It was my go to go.
Okay.
I don't see how.
We're gonna figure it out.
Well, I'm leaving now, but I feel bad because she pulled in and she did tell us to call the police because somebody hit her
Okay.
and she was scared.
Okay.
So, but I'm leaving now. So is she gonna be okay?
No, she's going to jail.
Ooh, whose voice is that? He sounds serious. She's going to jail. But the thing is, she doesn't give a crap about what happened to the other guy. That his car's totaled. I guarantee you she don't have insurance. It's the indifference is incredible. But don't worry, our hero cop has finally gotten on scene.
Because she fled from me before she crashed into somebody and then fled from the scene.
Lexi, just stop
Positive
back
ID.
and listen to what he's saying.
Okay, you almost crashed into me at South and Jean when you pulled out in front of me on Caroline. Okay, so I lit you up. You started to stop, and then you just took off. Then you blew the stop sign when you turned eastbound on Maley and crashed into that poor guy on his way home from work, and you kept on driving. Yes, you did. I watched it happen. When you don't stop at stop signs, it doesn't matter if he hits you, it's your fault. And you're required by Florida law to stop and make sure they're okay. Okay, if you would have just stopped, it never would have happened. I wasn't even going to write you a ticket. Okay, whether your license was valid or not, I don't have time for stuff like that. I would have addressed the violation and I would have sent you on your way. But you didn't stop, then you ran a stop sign and almost killed that guy. His car is totaled, and so is yours probably.
Oil?
Yeah.
Slipping all over the place.
Whatever the hell that is.
Can I tow this car back to the house?
Do you have yeah, if you guys want to use your own tow company, I'm okay with that.
I can call Buddy.
Normally, if it's a hit and run, we tow it to our record because it gets held for the investigation. But she's been identified as the driver because I watched her do it. So.
I just went out of town. I was going to see my grandbaby.
Is it registered to you or it's registered to her?
Actually, it's registered to my mother-in-law.
Okay. No driver's license? Okay.
But the car belongs to me.
Okay, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Just because she's been identified, there are no major injuries. I'll let you guys take it.
What kind of bond am I looking at?
Let's see. She's going to be charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding.
Yes, sir.
Hit and run with injury. And driving without a license. So
right.
her bond, the DWLS is going to be $500. The hit and run with injury will be $5,000, and the aggravated fleeing and eluding will be $5,000. So 10 grand. About $1,500 if you get a bondsman.
10%.
You're not on probation for anything?
No.
She was negative hours.
Actually, I just went out of town.
What's your relation to her?
That's my daughter.
Okay. Do you want to take her property?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna check it real quick just to make sure there's nothing illegal in it because she is in custody, and then I'll let you.
You want me to keep it charged and got his paid?
She almost killed that guy. His car is totaled.
Oh, his car.
Completely
He
totaled.
almost killed me.
No, you ran the stop sign. Okay. I understand that he hit your car, but you have to stop and yield to oncoming traffic.
That come from the car?
When you're crossing another
Gotta be.
street,
It's like
when you're crossing another street, you have to stop and wait for oncoming traffic. Not to mention, honestly, your biggest concern right now is the fleeing charge. Because had you not done that, the crash never would have happened. Even if you stopped at the stop sign.
Oh, this girl is killing me. I don't usually break in as much on a video this length. But just look at her. She doesn't give a crap about anything except, am I going to be able to get out? She doesn't care that she could have killed someone. Oh, he could have killed me. No, he had the right of way. He didn't have to stop. You didn't stop at the stop sign. Yes, he hit you because you put your car in front of his. Oh, this girl, I really hope this taught her a lesson. And she starts thinking better. Or she's not going to have a great life.
That's what's costing the most?
The crash.
He wouldn't have took you to jail for no license.
I'm not going to take you to jail for driving with no license. I don't
You
have
just
time
would
for
have
that.
had a ticket to pay. Go to court and you would have had to take a class before you had to.
Possibly not even that.
I probably wouldn't even have written her a ticket for driving.
Yeah.
I would have just had her pull over.
Y'all know, Lena, there's so much going on. Look at the jump that happened yesterday.
But when she takes off,
But see, I didn't know all the rest of that.
if she takes off and then
But I
crashes
told
into
you you
somebody,
wasn't gonna go to jail for no
my hands
driving
are tied,
license.
and he wants to press charges for the hit and run as well. So, like, if for future reference, let's say you did stop at the stop sign. Let's say the fleeing, all that stuff, forget about it. Let's say you were just driving home, you stop at a stop sign, somebody hits you. Even if it's their fault, if you take off, you're still going to get charged with a hit and run. You still have a duty in the state of Florida to stop and make sure that there's no injuries and insurance information on file, even if you're not at home.
We'll get you some numbers. Give me a second. Can Can you unlock it? Thank you. And you had some money in your pocket, so I'm going to count it really quick.
Can I get like $40 out of my purse from the girl right there?
Do you want your purse to go with you?
No, I just want money out of it.
Okay.
So I can put it on the phone.
Well, this is all the money that you had in your pocket. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, give me a second. And then
No,
you have...
keep my phone and talk to Dabo. Tell him what happened.
What charge is it to the white one?
Yes, the Android one.
The Android one?
So you have $4.29, and you want $40 out of your purse? Is it in a wallet?
No, it's just
In there? Okay. All right, get in the car and I'll get it for you. Watch your foot.
She was charged with the charges that the officer had listed off. Aggravated hit and run with injuries, driving without a license, and fleeing to elude. And I hope she learned something from this. She made some really bad choices, and it hasn't really kicked in how serious this is. She's worried about having enough money so she can make phone calls, and if she can get a bond. Not one time did I hear her ask, "How is the man in the car?" Not once. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.